Hi, it's Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2016 through 2022 and possibly beyond Honda HR-V with a bare roof. This system includes three main components, starting with the Thule Evo clamp foot pack, set of four, and the Thule WingBar Evo Load Bars, set of two, offered in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these individual components in detail, starting with the fitting kit. Now, the fitting kit will include a set of four of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and four contoured rubber base pads. So these actually have numbers on them, which will assign them to certain positions on the vehicle as identified in the instruction sheet that's included with the fit kit. Let's go ahead and install one of them so you can see how that's done. So here's a foot pack, individual foot. I'll just take off the outer cover. And there you can see we've already attached one of the stickers. This sticker is included with the fit kit to help you identify this foot. So this foot, once the sticker is installed, will be for the front left position. And so you would just refer back to the instruction sheet and look to see which of the numbered base pads is for that position on the roof. And then you'll see here we have a pivoting base. We just press the rubber to the underside, and that will make this foot fit that part of the vehicle perfectly. Next, we have the door frame bracket where we just engage here by a simple click, and now it's ready to go for that position on the roof. Now within the foot, you'll notice we have these silver tabs, and those silver tabs will allow us to attach the load bar to the top of this foot, and we'll do that next. So this is the WingBar Evo Load Bar that we've cut down so you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track along this bar that you can access by flipping the end cap, and that gives you the ability to slide in between these two pieces of rubber the correct hardware to mount certain accessories directly to the top of the bar, giving you a very clean, integrated method of attachment. When it's time to install the foot onto the bar, we have this slot here. I'll press in this tab and temporarily remove this end cap. And now you'll notice at the end of this slot, we have this measuring device. That measuring device has numbers on it, and those numbers, again, correspond to numbers that are assigned to the foot's position on the bar in the manual. Okay, so now to do this installation, we just press in on those silver tabs and then slide the bar into the top assembly. You want to bring that foot down to the tab, and then that way you'll have it in the correct position as identified by the number. Okay, you also notice here you have some exposed track, and Thule has included rubber with the load bars to fill in that track, thereby helping you maintain the good aerodynamic performance of the load bar. So that rubber will allow for the air to flow over that track nice and smoothly. So now we can go ahead and replace our end cap just by snapping that into place. Now when it's time to tighten this door frame bracket onto the vehicle, Thule has provided with the foot pack a unique tool that has the correct size tool to tighten the fastener, but also the handle will click once it's reached the correct tightness onto the door frame. Okay, then we can go ahead and replace the outer cover here. Just insert the tabs and snap. This plug, you just give it a quarter turn and that'll hold that cover into place. Now you do have an option to upgrade that plug with a Thule lock cylinder. These lock cylinders are sold in match sets. So a 4-pack will lock all 4 of your feet, and that'll give you excellent security for your roof rack to the vehicle. But you can also extend the system by ordering additional lock cylinders so that even your carriers that you've attached to the roof rack can also work off of the same key, making key management very simple. You can have all of your keys and all of your accessories all working off the same key. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the Honda HR-V. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in our video description for complete details on these items along with all your buying options. Also, if you need further assistance with the installation of the system, we have a more in-depth video that will show you the methods of installing this actually on a vehicle. Okay, that's all for now, and thanks for watching.